Welcome to Docutrix, your private natural language search solution for internal documents. To get started, all you have to do is upload some of your documents or link your SharePoint. I'm going to upload some Factorio Wikipedia documents as a PDF to get us started. Once the documents are uploaded, Docutrix automatically begins indexation, so we can head back to the Conversations page and get straight to asking questions. First, I'm going to ask how I can set up an automated train schedule to show how Docutrix can provide real step-by-step answers for processes. As you can see, Docutrix has to think for a little bit before providing an answer. This demo is in real time for all Docutrix processes, so you can see how quickly you can get responses back based on your internal documents. Now, as you can see, Docutrix has given me back a clear step-by-step guide for setting up automated train schedules. Now I'm going to start a new chat for our next question. Next, I am asking about the throughput of all the transport belts to show you how Docutrix can easily find the technical specs you're after. As you can see, Docutrix also provided the technology levels each transport belt needs to be unlocked for use in Factorio, and has references where it got all the information from. Next, I want to ask a follow-up question in the same chat about why I would use stack inserters instead of regular ones. This will showcase how Docutrix can deal with reasoning out answers to questions based on the documents you have provided it. You can see here's its well-reasoned 4-point explanation with a concise summary at the end. For the last question, we'll head to a new chat again and ask, what's new in the Space Age expansion? This helps to showcase how Docutrix can help summarize and explain new versions updates at a glance for users. Again, we can see a breakdown and then a nice concise summary provided here by Docutrix. If you want to go back to any of your chats, you can read them and continue them whenever you like by navigating back to them using this sidebar. All chats are automatically named based on your first question. You can also go back to documents at any time to see what you have put in Docutrix and remove any documents you no longer want there. You can also manage your link to SharePoint from the Integrations page. You can now request an invitation to use Docutrix. Just simply fill in the form linked below or on our website at docutrix.com. Docutrix, your private natural language search solution built to search the way you think. No tagging, no retraining.